Welcome to NextGen Timber, where raw material meets smart machinery and heavy steel turns waste, rock, rubber, timber, and scrap into usable output. Massive shredders, crushers, sorting systems, and processing lines work non-stop to reduce chaos into clean, reusable material. You had a bad day? This car had it worse. Press F to pay respects as it gets flattened into a pancake. Somehow, watching a vehicle get squished into almost nothing is way more satisfying than it should be. Watch as the hydraulic press unleashes immense force, compacting the vehicle into a dense, uniform cube. This process dramatically reduces volume, making transportation easier and recycling more efficient. It's not just destruction, it's engineering with a purpose. Then the excavator moves in with precision, lifting the car and dropping it into the crusher. Pressure builds, metal folds, and within seconds the whole thing collapses into a near-perfect cube. Clean, brutal, efficient. That's the kind of machine power we live for here. The 3-Tech Bravo 280 is a high-performance industrial shredder built for maximum efficiency in waste processing. Its single-shaft design delivers steady high-torque shredding, making it ideal for municipal solid waste, bulky materials, and wood waste. Powered by a 280-horsepower diesel engine, it can push through up to 50 tons per hour. With a large feed hopper and a robust cutting system, it keeps materials flowing, reduces downtime, and makes waste processing far more efficient. Long ago, giants were said to roam the earth, crushing everything in their path. Today, the JD 1050J carries that same energy. Its tracks shake the ground, its blade flattens what stands before it, and pickup trucks become little more than relics under its weight. Toyota's tough, but not that tough. future is here, and it's called the Lindner 95DK. This shredder tears through construction debris, municipal waste, and railroad ties with ruthless speed. It's built for operators who don't want delays, jams, or excuses, just constant throughput and serious destruction. A cleaner future, apparently, comes with a lot more shredding. The Ecotechnica Orca S5250P is a relentless force in the scrap industry. This hydraulic beast grabs vehicles and crushes them into dense steel bricks, turning full-size metal giants into compact, transportable bales. Pure power, pure efficiency, pure satisfaction. Then comes the HAAS Tyran 2000 XL, a twin-shaft monster that doesn't just shred, it dominates. Cardboard tubes, paper, and mixed waste disappear into its jaws and come out as manageable, recyclable material. Its intelligent control system adjusts power on the fly, preventing jams and keeping the destruction smooth, fast, and uninterrupted. If you're still watching and not subscribed yet, that's weird. Fix that. In a scrapyard full of chaos, one machine stands between disorder and control. A screening and sorting system steps in to separate metal with precision, turning mixed waste into organized streams of reusable material. It's not flashy like a crusher, but without machines like this, recycling falls apart. Meet the Terminator, a demolition force with a hammer point the size of your forearm, mounted on a 70-ton excavator. This beast smashes through rock, concrete, and steel with terrifying ease. Whether it's trenching through bedrock, mining at high throughput, or demolishing heavy structures, nothing really stands a chance once this machine goes to work. This heavy-duty paper shredder is built for high-volume document destruction. Complete books, thick files, and bulk paper loads vanish in a single pass. No hesitation, no delicate handling, just fast, clean reduction of mountains of paper into manageable waste. Ever wanted to see two excavators play Jenga with silos? Here's your chance. A few strategic hits, a little patience, and those towering structures come crashing down. Definitely not something to try at home unless you've got two excavators lying around in terrible judgment. The Volvo excavator, fitted with a hydraulic rock breaker, delivers powerful and controlled impacts that fracture hard rock with precision. This attachment is built to maximize productivity in excavation, demolition, and quarry work, turning stubborn formations into broken material ready for the next stage. The ELV recycling process is a multi-stage operation designed for maximum material recovery. First, the vehicle is depolluted, with hazardous fluids and components removed. Then pre-shredding strips away non-recyclable elements. After that, magnetization and advanced sorting systems separate ferrous metals, non-ferrous metals, and plastics. This is how modern recycling turns wrecked vehicles into recoverable value instead of landfill waste. This forest meets its match with the Morbark 50/48B. Built with raw power and precise chipping performance, it tears through entire trees and reduces them into material suitable for pellets and biomass processing. It's aggressive, efficient, and exactly the kind of machine that makes forestry look easy when it absolutely isn't. Why spend a fortune on a crusher when you can build one from scrap? With steel plates, welding, and real mechanical skill, this homemade jaw crusher turns broken concrete and rubble into reusable material. It's rough, powerful, and unapologetically DIY. The Willibald EP 5500 is more than just a grinder. It's a machine built for sustainable wood processing, converting wood waste into usable biomass. That means less landfill waste, more renewable energy potential, and a process where efficiency actually serves a bigger purpose. If trees could talk, they'd probably file a complaint. The Fuji King debarker gives eucalyptus logs the most aggressive exfoliation treatment imaginable, stripping bark with speed and precision. Crude joke aside, this is a key step in preparing timber for downstream processing. Listen to the low rumble of the wheel loader. Hear the crunch as rocks tumble into the Extec twin roll crusher. Then the smooth grinding takes over as stone breaks down into fine material. Heavy machinery has its own rhythm, and when it's working right, that rhythm is strangely calming. And here we are again with the VB1500DK, a high-performance metal shredder built for automobile body processing. Its powerful twin-shaft mechanism and reinforced cutting teeth break down entire vehicles with ruthless efficiency, chewing through steel frames, engine blocks, and aluminum components like they were never built to last. Not fake hype, not empty noise, just powerful machines doing brutal work the way they were designed to do it. Subscribe for more crushers, shredders, breakers, and demolition giants in action.